Ayan. Dito kami sa site, guys.
Magtanggal ng pants eh.
Pwede nyo natanggalin yung mga pants nyo. O, andito kami sa mga kasagingan, kakahuyan, or ano na ito. Tabi-tabi po, makikiraan po. Kung sino mang natutulog na dapat nang magising. Daan-daan lang po kami. So, ito yung site natin ngayon, guys. And guys, ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Oh my goodness. So, ayan, ganito kahirap siya, guys. Congrats sa mga lamok, mga ahas, mga babira mo. Ano pang mayroon dito? Diyos ko, buti na lang hindi ako ano. Halang daming lamok, kinagat na ako, in fairness. Paborito pa naman ako ng mga lamoks.
Let's feed the mosquito.
Oh no. Oh yes. Oh my God, guys, nakakatakot yung daan, in fairness. So ano, okay lang kayo dyan, mga pangit?
Yes.
Ayan. Mga pangit nga pala sila. Lan, daming lamok. Oh my God. Ang daming lamok.
Sunod lang kayo, baka maligaw kayo. Sugubakan to.
Ayan, mag-ingat kayo sa daan, guys. Kasi medyo ano, hahanapin natin ang mga nawawala. Ayan, naririnig na natin sila. Parang nandoon na sila. Sino bang nakadiscover sa area na ito? Diyos mio, Marimar. Andito na sila, guys. Ayan na. Andito na ang mga kasabayan. Ang ano natin, site. Andito na po kami. Good morning po. Andito na sila, guys. Nakaready na ang ilang kanilang kalan. Jolly! Oh, Diyos niyo, nandito. Ay, bawal mag-live. Naka-video lang ako.
Dapat lang sabihin mo, madam.
Uy, bakit may uniform ka na?
Yes. Ganda nga.
Saan yung akin?
Pangalan din. Mamaya.
Balansag po. Balansag. Nung last firing namin. Andito na po silang lahat. Good morning po.
Iwanan po muna namin kayo dito, ha?
Kasi magpasirong sa inangos po.
Doon din sila sa kabila ano.
Ay, dito sa bako. Galing ka. Net lang.
Ayan na.
Si Kuntawe.
Ayan na, guys. Magpipick up kayo ng uniform.
Kuntawe lang ba meron dito? Ba't wala akong pangalan?
Hala.
Sa akin, ma'am, meron. Ba't wala akong pangalan? Ngayon lang? Ngayon ka lang nag-order?
Hindi, nung last firing namin. Doon sa Diamond Hill na natin.
Tinda, ma'am. Try mo, Beherano. Jersey yung sa akin. Madam Malu. Andun pala yung Madam Malu. Kompleto na sila?
Uy, bakit Madam Malu wala yung akin?
Baka kaka-order mo lang, be. Dali. Saan yung cellphone ko? Check ko yung phone ko.
Kasi sabi
Dali lang, ma.
nag-order ako nung last firing last month. Hala, hindi yata nalista ni Edith. Sa kanila kasi ako nagsabi nung pag ano ng mga uniform.
Ayan, September 4 kayo sa akin.
Wala. Wala, be. Wala.
Ala, hindi in-order ni Edith.
Yung sa akin, wala ma'am.
Baka ibang pangalan naman ang binigay mo, be.
Hindi.
Good morning na ba? Wala,
Okay guys, wala tayo sa listahan ngayon. O ayan, buti pa kay Madam Ching, mayroon na.
Sana all naka-uniform na.
Sana all naka-uniform sila guys. O diba?
Nakawawa siya, oh.
Useless ang
Nakabad
time
kayo,
ko.
hindi nyo siya sinari sa uniform.
Useless ang time ko.
Okay? Put your cheek on it, and then you see. Rear side, see the circle. Front side, you see the line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see the line, circle line. You just straight it up, point on the target, and then shoot. Okay. And like this. This is your proper. Not here, not on the mag, but here. This would help you aim the rifle. See? Okay. About this message. Sorry.
O ayan guys.
Halika, tuloy mo muna. Iaabot ko yung susi sa amo. Halika.
Gumalaw muna kayo guys. Para may pang-upload tayo.
Picture. Saka muna dyan. Picture, Julia.
Oh, dito muna kayo.
Picture kayo. Para lahatan. O, lahatan na.
Para mag-stay sa kanila. Kasi wala naman na akong gagawin. Kasi ito yung, kumbaga ito yung buhay ko, yung mag-punch yun, tumulong doon sa kikitain. So, nagbuo ako ng life. So, ito na yung ace na suot nyo. So, senior Indonesian. Hi, good morning. You speak Tagalog? No. So, I need a lot of tissue for now on. And a nosebleed. So, okay, dito kaya ako. So, I will try my best to speak English. Hope you understand my English. So, good morning. I'm Floyd. I'm the team leader of ACES. So, ACES is Alpha Combat Elite Squad. Okay. We are a new team. We are the newest team in Airsoft in Hong Kong. We're gonna turn 1 year in September 20.
Oh, wow.
So we're just a baby.
May celebration tayo. 1 anniversary, sir.
May palitsyon yan si sir.
Sali tayo dyan.
This is the primary. This is called the rifle. This is the primary weapon of an airsofter. Okay. There are 2 rules in airsofting: safety and handling. Either pistol or rifle, there's only 2 major rules. One is, this is the muzzle. You will never point this on a person, animals that you don't want to destroy. So, usually, you would only point this to the target. You would never do this. This is the maximum space point or level you could point it. You could not point it like this, just like this. This one is already disqualified on regular airsofter. If you're new, of course you will teach it, but just like us, we're already shooting for how many years? If we do like this would already be disqualification for us, so no more score. So that's the maximum, that's the first one. Never point the muzzle on human being or animals. Okay? Second one is finger out. Do not put your finger inside the trigger whenever you are not yet ready to shoot. Okay? So you would see those regular shooters, even if they're pointing here and we're gonna move here, we will move like this. We will never move like that. Even if we shoot, if we move, we will move the gun like this. And then point again. Or like this. But you will never see a regular assault who will run like this, because that would be disqualification on a regular shooter. And whenever you shoot, whenever they run, you will see the finger like this. For newbies, normally when you run, that's understandable, so no worries. Before we have our level like this, we learn. We're also stupid like the newbies. So don't be ashamed or don't be okay. Like this, we got like this. But normally the stage for newbies will be much easier. If you will see the videos that we're posting on the page, fan page, our competition, you will see there's a lot of other exits like this, all the moving targets. Normally, pan shooter we would not use moving target, but now you will see we have the Texas Star. When you shoot one, it will go around. So we will put some challenge into your shoot. You will just not shoot like this. Target that are steady, but you will shoot. You will learn to shoot targets that are also moving. Okay? Yeah. So again, muzzle out. If you hear the marshal saying muzzle, it means your muzzle is dangerously close. Okay? If you hear finger out, it means you're moving. You're not shooting, but you're moving and your finger is in. You will hear the marshal say, finger out, finger out. It means that's a whining. Okay? In regular shooter, there's no more whining. If you move and your finger is in, he will say stop. You finish and load, you will get and then you're disqualified for the stage. Okay? So this is the rifle box. Max out. Max usually would push like this. And then if you want to release it, see this button?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the mag release button. Okay. So normally you would load and make ready. Load. Make ready. And then this is the final. This is your starting position whenever you're gonna shoot with the rifle. Load and make ready. Are you ready? Then stand by. You will hear a beep. Then you will start shooting. Okay. If they will see change mag, you will get another mag, and then you just release this. Then go. Don't mind it. Let it fall. But sometimes there's a magazine that would not fall for itself. You just hold and push. Okay? And then just drop. Don't throw it. Because there's some shooter. Okay, you just drop it. Okay? So, mag release, trigger. Okay? This is trigger rail. So, the proper holding of rifle is back. It's not like this. This is not a bazooka. You don't shoot like this because you're not a terrorist. Only terrorists with AK-47 will shoot like this. So the proper is back on your, peel your shoulder. There's a bone. There's a bone. You could peel it.
Sa pistol, madam.
Okay. So, ganito muna. English? You understand? So, this is pistol.
Ay, pistol pala yan, hindi yung bala niya ang pistol.
No.
It's the mags.
We call this mags. So, if you load the mags, put like this. This one must in front. Then you put like this. And then, chop. Then you start to shoot. But you need to wait for the command. Okay? Then if you unload, just press the circle one. Press the circle one, unload. Show clear. You need to show clear again. You need to show to the MO that no wave is left inside. Okay. And then one shot, and then that's enough. Just put it down. Okay, that's pistol. So every time you heard the command, are you ready? Stand by, then you can start to shoot. So this is the pistol. To unload, to load, sorry, put like this, and then down. If you see this one is already down, you can start to fire. You can start shoot, sorry, not fire. Ay, oh, ba't ka nambubulat? Sorry. Yan. Tapos, this is a rifle. So, rifle is a bit bigger, longer, and also heavier.
Ay, ginoo, COVID!
Grabe naman siya sa COVID.
Allergy ako.
Ay, allergy lang pala. Kala ko COVID
So,
na.
for using the rifle mask, you see the circle? Mask in front, or you must then pull this one, and this one bring it down. Just here at the middle. This is single shot. here. That's automatic. We don't allow that here. So we just
Ginawa ni Angel na Cardo Dalisay eh.
after you shoot, you just click this one. Press. And then pull this one. Shoot one. And then safety. Because once this is safety, even you keep pressing this one, it won't shot anymore. Okay. So, using the pistol, this is the rear, we call this the rear sight, the front sight. Just pull the target, you can hit the target. Okay? So, who want to try first?
I want to start.
Any question?
Try po daw, try daw.
Ay, hindi pala subukan ha.
Ay, ano ba to hold eh?
Eh, pwede din bukas ka pa umuwi. Pwede ka bukas uwi, Julia, if you want.
Taka dito lang.
Hold dito. Angel, wag ka dyan, gaga.
Pasahid ka, nakatutok ka pa.
Gusto mo bang Ayan. Gapang, gapang.
Oh, gapang, may video, may video.
Naka-video ako, gumapang ka, dali. Takbo.